Yes, we are back, and this is the part 2 of our English speaking
and edition.
and
watch us what we
while
are
we are
going.
Shut up! While we are doing our project in
Here.
science major. Huh? Science
What do you
subject.
Science subject. We're going to do, guys, a diorama today, and it's so very
Look,
stressful.
it's so very
Wait, what are
very
you doing?
demure, very cutesy.
What?
We are not finished yet, and we are just starting today.
Yeah, I know, right?
Wait,
What?
it's baligtad.
Oh, it's alright. It's like that.
The
Naman na siyang ano yun.
backflip.
Yeah, and hindi lang
Did
naman
you say
sa isa.
you didn't say that first when you
You're so noisy. No, it's not. You're so noisy. You're so loud. It's like that.
wait, I will gonna ouch. I'm gonna hurt.
You're gonna hurt.
It's too hot like me.
I'm sorry. I'm too hot.
Then you can make it like that too in the next one.
Oh yeah, I'm so good at this.
Just be careful because it's too hot.
I fuck.
Wait,
It's
it's
so
not
hot.
like that. You
Yeah.
can flip it before you gonna lagay that. Put it pala.
No, ano naman siya? Hindi lang naman siya iisa.
Oh,
Ano ba
okay.
talaga?
I get it. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
I'm too chubby. My face is too chubby and so covered.
You're so OA.
like you.
Oh my gosh, my back hurts.
Why I'm
See, I'm already good at this.
and you can
Wait,
put
wait.
it or you can put it too
Yeah.
to double it and to make it more beautiful.
I
hold this one.
I love your ambag, ha? Your ambag is so good. I love it. Fiona. Like this. Pwede na.
Yeah, it's okay.
We can do it three
Triple.
leaves.
Triple leaves.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, I can hold it and you can
I can stick glue it.
yeah, you can put the glue.
I'm
in
gonna
that one.
start here.
Yeah. you
Wait.
can- Just be careful.
Wait, I'm going to cut it,
Yeah.
because it's so long.
It's too hard to put it. Put it there. I'm Ash Trevino. Did you know who is Ash Trevino?
Is she a girl?
No, gay. I'm just kidding. Yes, she is a girl.
The fuck?
She's a
I
girl
know
like a
her.
mother.
Her name is familiar, but I don't know her face. Do you get it?
You don't wanna know how her look is. She is ugly.
You're so naughty. Do you know Ollie London?
No, I don't.
Oh, you don't know Ollie London?
No.
You don't know Ollie London, really?
No.
Oh my
Who
gosh!
is that?
Oh my gosh! Ollie London is so famous here now.
Fiona, do you know who is Holly? Holly?
Oh, no, don't put it here. See? What did you do?
Oh no!
Just
Fiona is so depressed and when in what are we
Stop
doing
talking. Okay,
Today? I don't need your I don't need your
Yeah, it's alright.
opinion.
How about here? Here.
Where?
Here.
Here?
Yeah. Or you're gonna paso-paso. Yan, it's so good.
It's so good. It's so nice.
I'm gonna, it. Decorate it.
Wait. Where's the you can make it like this in the other
Yeah,
side.
you're right.
Wait, you will cut it
Like
because
here,
it's
like
too
this.
long. and
I'm
it's
gonna
not
put.
enough to make.
Look.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Can I borrow the stick glue?
Wait, it's too long to so I can remove this one before you put it.
No.
Why?
Mm.
Why are you angry?
Angry?
Just
Hangry?
remove it.
Hangry? Leon is already hangry. He's not working. She's not
you
guys,
guys, look
she's
up.
not
Why do
using
I look-
her brain because here
Like your English.
she's
I'm not a boy.
she's
I'm a
cutting
girl.
it, but I remove it.
I don't care. Just shut up. Because I don't need
I'm
your
gonna
English.
put it here. Yeah, at least.
What?
Do
Go.
you guys
Go
want
help
to
me.
see?
What? I help you. Okay. What you help me? I don't
Your
care.
grammar is so good.
Mm.
I love your. No.
Wait, it's not nice. Wait, yeah. You can put it, but slow down. Slowly. Slow down. Slowly. So that
It's
you can,
still the
You are
same.
not.
Where's
you are
the
not-
Where's the two?
There. In the
You
side.
put it
I
and
don't
you
want to.
keep it.
No.
No, that's mine. Oh my gosh,
And
it's so
again.
hot.
Why your hands is so cold?
Oh my gosh.
Because the aircon is...
Wait, your hands is also back like mine.
It's blue.
Nagpapakpak ako.
blue.
See?
It's beautiful.
What else?
Wait, you can like lagay this. Ayan.
Oh my god, I'm very, 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 very good.
Umutot si Shan.
What the fuck? Huh? You fart.
No, I'm not.
You fart?
Ganun.
Really?
Narinig mo yun?
No.
Uy, hindi. No,
She
it's
said
not.
you fart.
No, it's not a fart. It's
What?
wait, my tube is already done.
It's already.
Wait! Oh my
They don't love you.
Your hands too ouchy.
You're so bad.
Like
Okay, like that. So we're gonna put it like okay. Oh my gosh.
It's so beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Let's
Why?
just wait lang kasi.
wait, where is the tree? Tree, this one.
Here.
Three. Oh, do you want three?
Look.
Look.
Three. Look. Oh yeah, you're right. And let's just cut
And
it.
this
Let's just cut
I'm
it
hungry.
out.
I'm hungry.
Do you want to eat French fries? I'm gonna cook for you. Do you want?
You want?
I don't want to.
I know you want French fries.
Yona did. Yona wants to, but I don't want.
Here. See?
That one.
Can you please
Wait, and you can also
add like this?
Yeah.
Oh my
I'm so
gosh.
very genius.
Okay.
You're so very, very OA.
Okay, and wait.
wait. You can
Don't-
cut it too because it's big and he pan this flower.
What do you mean pan? What's
He cover.
Not overall.
Do you want French fries? Really? I'm gonna cook for you guys.
Yeah, did so. Okay, but I don't want to.
Oh, here. Oh my gosh.
I don't have. It's already 3:24.
Like this. Fiona. Iglo, what's that?
Lumite. Lumite.
Oh my gosh, it's already 8 minutes already.
It's already.
It's already
It's already 8
3:25.
minutes.
In the afternoon.
You sing English.
Jumpy.
Speakers.
Jambe. Be. Jambe. Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot.
Because she's hot.
Hot dog sa ref.
No! What
Why?
are you doing?
Wait, do you have an extra stick glue?
Yeah, I have a lot.
Okay.
Okay.
That's good. That's nice
cut
here.
it here. Can you please hold this thing?
Hold it right.
See?
It's okay.
You guys are not dikit-dikit it. You guys are not dikit-dikit it.
Stick it.
Stick it to the glue.
You're
Look, do you want to
Ah.
see how messy my room is? This is my room.
What? Help me. Help me. Then I put that.
Oh my god. It's alright. I can paint it naman.
It's already done. It's okay. But my only concern is you have already a light green paint. Then I mix a green and a white so it can be like that color. The time is so wasted. Oh wow. It's so pretty. Like
And
Bonus na siya.
can I what? Can you pass it to me?
Shout out to SPJ Chaka!
Look! It's a
Wait lang. May sumapit demon. Wait, the demon is in...
Baga, sobrang init.
Uy, mainit yung... Yun. Ba't mainit? Hindi, nagulat ako. Alam ko nung gagawin niya. Nilagay niya.
Hey, look, it's you. Look like you.
Okay lang sa kanya yun, gano'n siya.
Oh my god! It's you! It's you!
Wait, guys.
You are the frog, and I'm the...
They are so they are so very very naughty.
Because he's very OA.
Okay.
Because she's so-
we're gonna put it
So
here.
good. So demon. Demon.
What do you mean, demang?
Demonyo. Demonyo.
Can you please?
You are the ladybug.
Oh my god. What are we gonna do here?
Oh. You can cut it like the cave na lang.
Okay.
Wait. Can we change the the instruction?
How?
What
are we going to
can
do?
we speak in Taglish na lang?
Okay, fine. It's alright.
Where did we
Lagay it na.
I don't know. But you can cut
I
it
said
to
like
half.
this. You pinut like this. I said like this lang because I'm very very struggling.
The tree is too big, so you can cut it in a half. That the cave is can matira. Can matira. Can matira.
Gawin ko sa'yo, be.
Wait, why this is not in
I don't know.
Billboard.
I don't know to you.
What did you
Yeah.
do?
Hindi ko siya nilagay because I thought we're gonna put it here like this.
But it's too big to put that in there.
Yeah.
But we can cut it naman.
Yeah.
we can cut it
and we can put it in this
in this
side.
area or here.
Side.
Here.
Yeah, inside. Yeah.
Here and we're gonna put
Yeah.
it
Like
Yeah.
that.
Can
But
you go? Oh wait.
like that.
Don't cut this like this lang oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what
And
just want to say
I'm going
to you.
to cut it. And you guys are going to
Wow.
Oh my gosh, can you guys please pass me the tissue?
My is so hurt.
Ay gulat.
I'm shocked.
It's
What are you
like
doing?
gulaman.
Yeah, it's like a gravel.
Do you want milk tea, guys? I can treat you.
Oh, thank you.
Where
Phase
you
one.
can buy it?
Phase one.
How much?
How much? 50 plus.
Hmm?
It's too pricey.
It's so
No, it's not
very-
pricey. It's pricey, but it's too large. Like
But I'm very
How
shy.
much is
Super
small?
shy. Super shy.
what do you want? How much it's small?
How much the size small?
I
Or
don't know. The
If they have
the
a-
smaller size is like this.
What?
What are the
Smaller
flavors?
size is like this.
No, you're so OA. It's
No,
like this.
because she's so OA, she thought it's like this.
Uy, guys. Let's focus na.
Yan.
Uy, guys. Let's focus na.
Okay, if you say so. What am I gonna do na next? I'm like a monkey na.
Bakit?
What the hell did you do?
Kusaki. Ay, Poki. Like that. So, ganito na lang natin para matakpan ng TV.
Kidney?
I said give. You're so bingi.
She is gonna eat you. I'm just not baka move on because I already mixed the color white and green. Then you have a light green pala. You didn't even say
I don't even know too that I have a good
kulang,
light green.
kulang your color.
Yeah, I can't, naman.
Wow!
Oh,
And I have this pink one. Joke. I'm just kidding.
What are you doing, Fiona? I have an idea. So, let's put this. Let's put this tree.
Wait.
What the hell?
I think, dikit natin ito.
No, hindi pa rin siya nakakalimutan. That's the point. That's the point. Ginagawa siya. Am I right?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah. Sabi mo, am I right? Yeah.
Emerald! Guys, like this!
Where? Ay.
Wait, sakit ako tuhod.
Oh, it's already 3:33.
What, 3:30 na? Di ba sila 3:30? Uy, let's go, guys!
I want to sleep. Isang magandang magaan darating ngayong araw. Mapayapa, mahangin, at mainit ang panahon.
Tabi ka.
Sana ako'y makatagpo ng isang taong makakapagpalaya sa ating mga nararamdaman at hinagpis. Aking Laura'y iyong pinatay. Aking Laura'y iyong pinatay, Johanna.
Corny.
Uy! Iyong...
Paano natin sa mga... Wait.
Ay ko!
Masasarap.
Uy!
Oo nga. Tabi ka. Wala na. Uy, paano natin siya masasara? Uy, paano natin ito masasara?
Wag na sasara. Ay, pwede bang alisin na lang sana natin to?
Pag mo na lang isara.
Hindi na natin siya masasara.
Oo, wag natin sara.
Huwag na natin sara, ganyan na lang.
Wait, mag-split yung tak. Malak split ko eh. Watch me how to split. Hi guys!
Can you please move?
Ice cream yummy!
Wait lang, Nak. Eva is moving. Hoy!
Oh my gosh, we don't have, we don't have stick glue already.
You said you have a extra.
No, I don't have. I thought you said stick glue. Glue gun is, ang sinasabi ko mismo, glue gun. Wala na tayo.
Hindi mo sinabi sa akin, sana nagdala ako.
Oo nga. Ayun yung sinasabi namin kanina eh. Uy, hindi ba nagbutas siya?
Hindi ko alam ko yun, oh. Alam kay Faye, tanong mo kasi.
Meron pa pala. Ano ito binigay?
Hindi ko alam.
Buti pa yung mga kaklase mo kasi binigay kasi binigay sa akin. Bambata sa din sa akin bag.
AJ na eh.
Wow.
Si mama niya na nag-ano dun. Yun yung maganda, marunong pumili yung mama na rin. Guys, baka gusto niyo akong tulungan. Tignan niyo ako lang gumagawa.
Wow!
Ako lang nagdidikit. Aminado ako.
Ay ko.
Sakit na lang.
Game na. Pagkita nga.
Wait.
Okay na. 3 oras na.
Yeah, I know, right?
Ayan.
Then you're gonna put,
Wait.
yung frogs, ano kayo?
Lagay. Tingnan ako. Tagalog naman. As in yung mga matarihang salita naman.
Yung mga Pilipino yung gano'n.
Oh.
Gano'n naman.
Binibini. Binibini
Ate,
mo ilagay ito sa...
Ay, parang nagtutula na lang tayo.
sige. Gilid ng kahon. Upang...
What are you doing?
Ano din tayo ng salita?
Ano bang ginagawa mo?
Huwag tayong salitang